Right, so as you can see, it's quite breezy outside. Yeah, it's not ideal, so we're just sitting in the car and just watching outside the sea. So that's what people do. They bring their cars over here, park the cars here, and then they can just enjoy the view. It's as you can see, that's Brownsea Island there. So it's a small island and you can go on it. Got brown squirrels and a lot of animals there. A lot of school trips go over there, so it takes about 30 minutes by boat to go there. And if you can see, there's a Condor ferry right in front of you parked, which goes to France. And I'm parked over here really, so just watching the view and watching the clouds move over us, and they are moving really quickly. As you can see, you can feel the movement of the cloud because it's very windy. So if I just step outside the car, you are gonna see how windy it is, but I don't know, should I attempt to step out of the car or should I just stay inside the car? Tough decision. Normally I don't step outside the car in this kind of weather, but just to show you a bit, I think I should give it a go. So are you guys all ready? Let's see then. Ooh, I'm finding it even hard to open the door here. Ooh, so windy. The wind is just pushing the door back. Oh, so you can see the breeze. I don't know if the camera mic is going to pick up a bit of breeze. If not, then you know. And you can see the tide is out, so that's why you can see all the seaweed. The tide is not in, so you know. And it's just basically a area where people come and just park their car and take nice views. And you can park your cars here and then just enjoy this view. And yes, in summers usually you can sit on these steps, but it's too breezy at the moment, so I'm not gonna sit here because it's quite breezy. And then you can feed the birds here as well. So see these birds, if you bring some peanuts or some chips or something, then you can feed them. So just enjoy the view. This is Poole town centre in front of you. That's the Brownsea harbour, or Brownsea Island in front of you. That side is sandbanks, and you go beach everywhere because we live right on the coast, so you're never far from the beach. Yeah. And you can see this is the walking part, and this is the information. If you need to go toilets are that way. High Street is that way. And you are here. And these are the birds that you can spot here. As you can see, it's quite breezy, but there is no dust in the air. It's all clean, fresh air. Absolutely brilliant breeze. And park the cars here, and then I'll show you the other side. Oh, by the way, if you don't put parking ticket, £70 you have to pay penalty, which you can translate how much is in your country, by the way. This is the beach side. You can come here with boats, trailers. That's another side, so you can just basically sit here, have tea and coffee on a nice day, or have a kickabout with football or whatever you want, really. So you can see, it gives you an idea of how the place is. Right, so I'm just going to do the one final recap. So you can see the beach. It's quite windy, and it's cold wind as well. It's not warm. It must be about like 10 degrees less. So you can see. And that's the Brownsea ferry. You can see the yellow ferry that's taking people to that island. I'm not sure many people will be making that trip today in a weather like this, but if that's what you'd want to do, then be their guest. So they go over there, you can walk on that island, you can enjoy it. It's just completely surrounded by water on four sides, and it's just a very small island. So you can just go over there. They have their own natural nature in terms of animals over there, squirrels, peacocks, chickens, you know. So there is a bit of wildlife over there, and it's a very nice spot, so you can enjoy over there. These are the small ferries that take you across. So I'm just gonna sign off now, and I'll catch you later.